Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're seeing this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how to spy on your girlfriend in case of if you are suspecting your girlfriend if he's cheating or not, or you have a double doubt away from your girlfriend, any other person you feel like you want to spy on WhatsApp. Now, here is what you're going to do. It's just for you to copy a link on the website I'm going to be showing you, and once you do that, it's just for you to paste the link and it will show you the location that person is. It will show you the details on what that person is doing on his phone. You will literally be seeing it on your smartphone. Okay, even no matter the distance might be, distance is not a barrier. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you this tutorial video very briefly after this video. So in case if you're seeing me for the first time, please like and share this video. Now you go to if you're with your phone, you go to your Chrome or go to any other web browser you feel like. So I'm my Chrome now. Here's my Chrome. Then you click on IP Blogger. Okay, let's click on IP Blogger. Here is it. So you click on it. It will take you to their website. Now this is the website that you are in now. So you click on the IP Blogger itself here. Then what you do, you see this three dots, this yellow three dots, you click on it. Then now here is the first one. They say URL
location tracker.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
So I say location tracker. Then here you click on location tracker.
On your girlfriend, in case of if you are suspecting your girlfriend.
Then after which you scroll down.
Then here you click on create. This side that you wrote create, you click on create. You click on create. Just wait a minute. Look at this side. They say this in iplogger.com. Look at this side. Then here you will see a place that they will say copy a link. Coming. Can you see this link here? You copy this link. Once you copy the link, then you paste it you send it as a message to the person on either WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other platform. You send it as a message. Once the person click on it, you'll be seeing the person's activities here. Look at it. They say remove location. This is where it will be showing the person's activities. You understand? To show where the person is, what the person is doing. Now this is not the complete video, but if you want the complete video of what I'm doing here, it's just for you to message me, say hi in the comment section, and I will take you to my my Telegram channel for you to see the complete video, because that's where I mostly do all my complete tutorial videos. So if you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Picture.